First, go to Capcut and we select a black wallpaper. Then we add a text. Let's say something Paris. We write a Paris. Then we add a font. We add a fonts like bold font as you want. Then we go to aspect ratio and change for we want for YouTube, so and increase the size of the Paris. So also we increase this because of our video. Let's check it. And then we export. In new Capcut we add a video. And we'll check it. And then we adjust this 16:9 ratio for our YouTube. Then overlay the first video we made it. Then splice, we select the dark one. It becomes this one. This is the final result.